Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn how Fizure helps you stay on top of your project change orders. First of all, there are several ways to manage the change orders on Fizure. A. The project manager enters the change order to a contract on Fizure, and every time he approves a pay application or invoice for the contract, then the change orders will be automatically seen. B. The subcontractor enters the change order along with the pay application and saves the project manager time from data entry. You can learn more about how the subcontractors can submit the pay applications along with the change orders from our next video. So first of all, when we open our project and then go to contracts and open Fizure Training Project Contract, then from the contract detail view we can enter the change order. Then we click Add Change Order and enter the change order name Lifting Works. Then we select the line item that the job is associated with. It's important to know that once we have selected the line item, then the change order cost will be included in the line item and cost on the budget view. Then we enter the unit for our contract. In this case, the unit will be hours, which we mark with an H. You can manage both unit pricing change orders and fixed pricing change orders on Fizure. Since for the lifting works, we only create the hourly cost rate for the job and didn't fix the number of hours, we just leave the quantity empty. We enter the unit price in the unit price column, which is $40. Then we click Create. For the added change orders, we can immediately see it's unit pricing or fixed pricing change order. Now, when the project manager decides to enter the pay application manually on Fizure, he goes to Commitments, then clicks New Commitment, selects the corresponding contract, and then clicks Create Commitment. Here we see that the previously added change order is automatically added to the pay application template. For the sake of example, let's additionally add a fixed price change order when entering the pay application. To do that, we click Add Change Order, enter the name Wiring Works, select the corresponding line item, and enter the agreed costs. We enter 1 for the quantity, pieces for the unit, and $2,000 for the unit price. This means we agreed on the whole job to be completed in $2,000. From the commitment remaining column, we see immediately that this is a fixed price change order. Now, when we are approving an invoice for the contract, we select this is an invoice for a contract, we select the subcontractor, and then we will automatically see the contracted line items along with the added change orders. We allocate the costs on the invoice on the corresponding line items, then click Submit. Now from the Contracts menu, we can automatically track the contract performance, and from the contract detail view, we can see the total contracted cost of the change orders, total committed cost, and how much is remaining for the change orders. It's important to know that the entered change orders contracted cost is now included in the total contracted cost on top of the contract view. Similarly, we see right in the budget view that the value of the contract associated with the construction works has now increased by $2,000. Since the contracted cost for the construction works line items exceeds the revised budget, Fizure immediately displays a yellow warning. You will learn more about the warnings in the video where we analyze the budget. We should now update the revised budget value, and our project cost forecast will automatically be updated. Then we would not miss that we are exceeding the budget. Now, if we go to the Overview tab, then we see immediately that the revised budget exceeds the projected budget by $1,000. In conclusion, Fizure makes project change orders management easy. The change orders can be added by the project manager or by the subcontractor, and the change orders are interlinked with all our project financials.